So this is my project, and what it essentially is it is something that you put it around your head basically, and inside this there's an EEG board that is able to sense how powerful your brain waves are, and it sends it to the Arduino, which then sends it to the laptop, and that's basically how it works. That's how it senses how powerful your brain waves are. Hello, I'm going to be discussing why I picked the project I did and how I made it. Okay, the reason why I picked this project is I felt it had a very I just love the way you were able to make it yourself, just out of old parts, and you can see here just duct tape and an Arduino and a headset from a toy that was made 10 years ago, and make it into something that's kind of futuristic and really cool. So yeah. So the main way this project works is you take this old Star Wars toy, which we just got on Amazon, and what we did is we soldered 2 wires that go and connect to the EEG, and these 2 wires basically transfer the data this is receiving from your head to the Arduino, and then from the Arduino it sends it to the computer, which is not plugged into a laptop right now, but it is during the experiment. Okay, so basically how this works is we've finally got the machine and it's attached to my head, and if you look, the strength value is basically how powerful the connection is, and it needs to be 0 in order to work, and then the attention value right there is how much I'm thinking and the energy in my brainwaves. So if the less I think, or the more blank my mind is, the lower the attention value goes, and the more I think, the higher the attention value goes. So you can see right now I'm thinking a lot and it's going up really high, and now I'm going to try to think a bit less, maybe blank my mind a bit. Okay, yeah. So as you see, it definitely works. It's of course not perfect because it's more difficult to just change your brainwaves, I guess. I mean, I'm not that great at blanking in my mind, but there's definitely a correlation we can see between the how much I'm thinking and the attention values. Like if somebody speaks to me, the attention value goes way up. So most of the time, yeah, that happens quite a bit. Okay. One last thing is that you can see it also shows you the amount your brainwaves are in all the different band lengths. So there's so some of these the alpha waves are much shorter and the gamma waves are much longer. I mean those are much shorter wavelengths and these are much longer wavelengths. So this can also help you just tell what type of brain activity you're having rather than you're having brain activity or not having brain activity.